Hello everyone, welcome in my today's video. I am Siddhi Gahine. Today we discuss about the digestive system and some disorders of digestive system. Let's see digestive system. First we see the definition of digestion. Digestion is the process of converting food we eat into nutrients which uses for energy, cell repair and growth in the body, or it is also defined as the process of converting complex food into simple nutrients which is absorbed by bloodstream. Digestive system is the system used for breaking down of food into nutrients, and the nutrients pass to the circulatory system and are taken to where they needed in the body. Organs of digestive systems are divided into two parts. First is the gastrointestinal organs or alimentary canal organs, and second is the accessory organs. First we see the gastrointestinal organs. Gastrointestinal organs of digestive systems include mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Now we see the accessory organs. Accessory organs of digestive systems include teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Now we discuss about the all organs of digestive system. First organ of digestive system is mouth. Mouth. Mouth is also called as buccal cavity or oral cavity. The main function of mouth is intake of food or drinks. There are three main accessory organs included in the mouth. First is teeth, second is the tongue, and third is the salivary gland. First accessory organ of mouth is teeth. Teeth is used in breakdown of injected food into simpler pieces that can be swallowed, and there are 32 teeth are present in our mouth for the breakdown of injected food. Second accessory organ of mouth is tongue. Tongue is used for the movement of food in our mouth. Second function of tongue is uh, mixing food with saliva. On our tongue, taste receptors are present which helps us in recognition of taste. Third accessory organ of mouth is salivary gland. Salivary gland secretes saliva. It is a watery liquid which contains digestive enzyme, mainly salivary amylase, that helps in digestion of carbohydrates. There are three pairs of salivary glands present in our mouth. First is a parotid gland, second is a sublingual gland, and third is a submandibular gland. Second organ of digestive system is pharynx. Pharynx are also called as throat. Throat plays the role of pathway for food from mouth to next junction, that is esophagus. Pharynx are divided into three parts. First is the nasopharynx, second is the oropharynx, and third is the laryngopharynx. Next part of digestive system is esophagus. Esophagus is also called as food pipe. It is a hollow tube-like structure that carries food from pharynx to stomach. It is about 25 cm long. Next part of digestive system is a stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag-like structure with walls made of thick elastic muscles. Stomach walls secretes gastric juices. First gastric juice is HCl. HCl is useful in kill microorganisms and activate pepsin. Second gastric juice is mucus. Mucus lubricates food and protects walls of stomach. Third juice is gastric enzyme. Gastric enzyme is produce pepsin, resin and lipase. After stomach, the next part of digestive system is a small intestine. In small intestine, final digestion of food takes place. Absorption of nutrients also takes place here with the help of villi present in walls of small intestine. It is 6.9 meter to 6 to 9 meter long pipe like structure arranged in coil form. It is divided into three parts. First is the duodenum, second is the jejunum and third is the ileum. Small intestine have three accessory organs. First is the liver, second is the gallbladder and third is the pancreas. First we see liver. Liver is the largest gland of body. It weighs about 1.5 kg. It produces bile, which is a greenish yellow digestive juice which helps in digestion of fats. Next accessory organ of small intestine is gallbladder. Gallbladder is a small pea-shaped organ located underneath the liver. Bile secreted by the liver temporarily stored in gallbladder and when required it enters the duodenum. Third, third accessory organ of small intestine is pancreas. Pancreas secretes three juices. First is the pancreatic juice, second is the trypsin juice and third is the lipase juice. Pancreatic amylase help in digestion of carbohydrates. Trypsin help in digestion of proteins and lipase helps in the digestion of fats. These pancreatic juices enters duodenum for further digestion chain. Next part of digestive system is a large intestine. Large intestine is also called as colon. It is about 1.5 meter long. It is divided into four parts. First is the ascending colon, second is the transverse colon, third is a descending colon and fourth is a sigmoid colon. There is in large intestine there is no actual digestion process occurs. The main function of large intestine is absorption of water. Second last organ of small intestine is pancreas. Second last organ of digestive system is a rectum. It is a temporary waste storage organ where feces is stored before the elimination from body. Last part of digestive system is the anus. Anus is the last organ of digestive system through which feces exit the body. It's all about the structure of digestive system. Now we see some disorders of digestive system. Now we see disorders of digestive system. First is the intestinal tract inflammation. Intestinal tract inflammation is the most common disorder due to bacterial or viral parasites. The infections also caused by parasites of intestine like tapeworm, roundworm, uh, threadworm, or hookworm, pinworm, etc. Second is the jaundice. In jaundice, the liver is affected, indicated clearly by skin and eyes uh, turn yellow, which is due to the deposit of bile pigments. Third is a vomiting. The abnormal ejection of consumed stomach contents through the mouth. This reflex action is in control of the vomit center in medulla. A feeling of nausea precedes vomiting. The fourth disorder is diarrhea. The abnormal frequency of bowel movement out of the body with increased liquidity of the fecal discharge is termed as diarrhea. This disease reduces the absorption of food by the body, which incorporates the weakness of weakness to the human. Next is constipation. The condition is due to improper digestion of food, which leads the organism to feel fullness. The indigestion is due to inadequate enzyme secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, and even eating spicy food. The next disorder is hypercholesteremia. There is high intake of saturated fats like butter, ghee, red meat, and egg. This result in cholesterol level of blood rises abnormally, that is hypercholesterolemia. This may be the reason in some cases for thrombosis and heart attack. Next is obesity. Due to excessive consumption of high calorie nutrients like sugar, honey, and saturated fats, which accumulates in tissue of the body. The severe effects are high blood pressure, diabetes, heart diseases, and other diseases of cardiac. Regular exercise and consumption of green leafy vegetables will be beneficial to such person. The next disorder is hypervitaminosis. There is excessive intake of vitamins which cause several diseases. The excess of vitamin D causes deposition of calcium in soft tissue. Excess vitamin A causes lack of appetite, itching, loss of appetite, itching, and rash. Hypervitaminosis of vitamin D causes nausea, hypercalcemia, calcification of soft tissue are diseases caused. Next disorder is fluorosis. There is excessive intake of fluorine, which is characterized by the mottled mottled, that is brownish discoloration of teeth. It's all about the diseases. It's all about the disorders of digestive systems. Thank you.